Mark the Meerkat here with FreeOnlineTradingEducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host of the GrokStar Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Let's talk about a trade that we had this morning in the GrokStar Trading Room, and it was on LGF. That's right, Lionsgate Films. They're going to be buying stars, and they were up real big, and then here at opening here, they started to fall, low base, fall, little low base, fall, and now it's doing a bear pullback here. You want to know more about what a bear pullback is, you can go to our site, FreeOnlineTradingEducation.com. Go to our free chart school, just hit Chart School. And we're going to look for different chart patterns. Now there's all kinds of chart patterns here. There's also oscillators and indicators that you can see on actual charts that are live. You can look at candlestick reversal patterns, and we can also do what different things you use for stock chart analysis. But here under stock chart patterns, we're going to look here at bear pullback right here, number 2, and it is where it's running down, usually in a channel, pulls back up to a line of resistance, and as it starts to roll down, odds are in our favor. It's going to continue down. We want to go short. You can read about it here. Down here are a couple examples of it. These are actually daily charts where each candle is worth 1 day, and you can see where it's happened before. And I'm going to show you one here on a day trading chart. Each of these is now 1 minute. Now see, it came up here, hit its head on this 8 EMA, exponential moving average, and it's set in order right down here. If it breaks down this way, I want to be short. So let's see what happened next, and bam, right here, it ticked me in here at $21.94. I am short on LGF. Going to set a stop here, right up here about 22.20. That's about 1% there. And then bam, there it is. It's falling down. Now we're on this yellow line is the pivot line based on the price action from the day before. This is a possible line of support. So I'm bringing my stop down here, still giving a little bit of room here at about 22.05, and bam, 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 there we go. Now I'm bringing my stop here right at the money. So I am now have a risk-free trade, zero risk in this trade. But Mark, you've got X amount of dollars invested. No, I don't. I only have risk invested here, and it's now 0. Cool. And it's just falling down here. Keeps falling down, falling down. Now I'm bringing the stop down. I'm going to follow. You see, it's not closing above this 8 EMA. I'm bringing my stop just above this 8 EMA as we move down. It broke through $21. Here's the S1 pivot line, and this gray line here is its closing line. And it stalled right there, and then bam, dropped below. Love it when that happens, especially when we are short. So it's now filled the gap up, and it is now dropped below here and started to stall down here. So I went ahead and I took out half here at $20.48 for 6.6% on the first half. That doesn't look like much, does it? But ooh, doggies, that's nice. And then I went ahead and I bring my stop down here just above this 8 EMA, exponential moving average, and look at that, popped right up here and got me out on the second half at $20.62 for 6.0% on the second half. And so let's take a look here at what happened in this trade. Let's just stretch it out for demonstration purposes here. It was coming down, it did a bear pullback. We got in, and then we just managed our stop as it fell. And then as it stalled here for a little while, I went ahead and took out half, and then it broke above that 8 EMA, which it had not been above the 8 EMA all the way down. And so this total trade was for 6.3% in 24 minutes. Hoo-ah! That's a great trade. With our model portfolio, that ends up being about $630 in 24 minutes. Now, let's see what happened next here, by the way, is it then formed a symmetrical triangle, and guess what we did? We went long. We talk about being nimble, and then we got another 1% or so out of that. So 6% down, 1% up, I'm okay with that. In fact, today in the GrokStar room, we were 7 out of 13 trades for 9.05%. In our model portfolio, that's about $900 for 3 hours worth of work. Ooh, I love it when that happens. Hey, you can join us 30 days for free. In fact, tomorrow is a lesson day. If you go to groktrade.com, that's right, groktrade.com, right up here to GrokStar Chat Room, you can go to our page, and again, we can welcome any of the morning hours traders now that that room is closed. But here, tomorrow's a lesson day. I'm going to actually have my charts open as I just do audible calls, but I'm going to be in my sim account, and you can watch me trade all morning long. And we do trade from we start to prepare at 9 o'clock Eastern time. We trade from 9:30 to about 12 o'clock, and that's it for the day. So you can join us again, 30 days for free. You can join us tomorrow for free, Friday, and just hit the buy button here, and then after that's what, less than a commission a day. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember, as we're celebrating Independence Day, let us also celebrate the freedoms in this country so we can have financial independence. Have a great long weekend and trade well.